Welcome to LDL2. It's your lockdown lecture 2 for chapter number 1 called Basic Concept of Chemistry. In this chapter, we have some theories related to the basic concept of chemistry. But हम theories को side पे रख के at present उसके calculative part discuss कर रहे हैं. Last lecture we have discussed mole concept. We have converted mole or relation of a mole to molar mass we have established, and molar mass to number of molecules. It's called a triangular relation जो हमने last lecture discuss किया था, that 1 mole of any substance has 6.02 into 10 to 23 molecules or atoms in it, and 1 mole of a substance is always equal to molar mass. We also know that these relations are called vice versa relation. That means mole to molecules and molecules to mole conversion is possible. Mole to molar mass and molar mass to mole also possible. Molar mass can be converted to number of molecules and number of molecules of atom can be converted to the molar mass of a substance. Similarly, we have a fourth relation or a fourth aspect for the mole concept or fourth comparison for the mole concept called volume of a substance. Volume of a gaseous substance at STP. For 1 mole of a substance at STP, its volume is 22.4 liter. At STP. At STP. Volume of a 1 mole of a substance is 22.4 liter or 22,400 ml. 22.4 liter or 22,400 ml volume conversion, or we can say that 1 mole of a substance occupies 22.4 liter volume or 22,400 ml volume at STP. Now a question, what STP means? Here S stands for standard. T is called temperature and P is for pressure. Standard temperature and pressure condition. अगर कोई सब्सटेंस एट STP अगर उसका 1 मोल हमने कलेक्ट किया है तो 1 मोल ऑफ अ सब्सटेंस STP पर स्टैंडर्ड टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर पर उसका वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपेंसी होगा 22.4 लीटर. वो 22.4 लीटर वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपाई करता है. Now what is standard temperature and pressure? According to the standard set by the International Union, the standard temperature is taken as 273.15 Kelvin. Kelvin is a scale. जैसे टेम्परेचर को मेजर किया जाता है डिग्री सेल्सियस, डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट में, वैसे ही एक और स्केल है कॉल्ड केल्विन स्केल. चैप्टर की जब थियरी डिस्कस करेंगे तब केल्विन स्केल के बारे में डिटेल जानकारी लेंगे. प्रेशर कॉल्ड 1 atm, 1 atmospheric pressure. At 273 Kelvin temperature and 1 atmospheric pressure, the volume occupancy of a substance is 22.4 liter for a 1 mole of a substance. It's a fourth relation that we are having for a 1 mole of a substance. 1 mole occupies 22.4 liter at STP. Similarly, if we take 22.4 liter volume at STP, it is equal to 1 mole of a substance. It's called a vice versa relation. We can also convert liter or volume to molar mass. Suppose we have 22.4 liter volume for any gas at STP, then it is molar mass of a substance or equal to is molar mass of a substance. Similarly, number of molecules can be converted to the volume and volume can be converted to the number of molecules, and that's why the previous triangular relation now has been changed to a quadrilateral relation. It's a quadrilateral relation for mole concept, that 1 mole of a substance is equal to its molar mass. 1 mole of a substance contains 6.02 into 10 to 23 molecules, जो हमने लास्ट लेक्चर डिस्कस कर लिया है. आज हमने उसका चौथा डायमेंशन ऐड किया है 22.4 लीटर वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपेंसी by 1 mole of a substance. That means if a 1 mole of a substance at STP is collected, it occupies 22.4 liter volume. So हमारा जो last triangular relation था, triangular relation, now it has been converted into the quadrilateral relation. From this quadrilateral relation, we have derived certain formulas for calculation. Already we have discussed that number of moles can be calculated. N is equal to weight in gram divided by molar mass. Number of molecules is equal to N into Na. N means number of moles into Na. Na means Avogadro number. Suppose we want to find weight of a substance in gram. Here weight of a substance in gram is a numerator. We'll make it as a subject. Molar mass goes to the multiplication of a number of moles. So N into molar mass is equal to weight of a substance in gram. And the last relation that we have added today, the volume of a gas at STP, it is equal to number of moles into 22.4 liter. What it means? अगर 1 mole substance है तो उसका volume 22.4 liter होगा. If you have 2 moles of a substance, so 2 into 22.4 means it is 44.8 liter of a substance. कॉपी कर ले ये जो रिलेशन हमने यहां पर एस्टैब्लिश की है वो, और ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल रूल. ओके, आपने ये कॉपी कर लिया है. विल मूव फर्दर. एज मेंशन, standard temperature and pressure means a temperature should be 273.15 Kelvin and the pressure is 1 atmospheric pressure. Then volume occupied by the substance is 22.4 liter. Instead, suppose we'll take a temperature in Kelvin scale 273.15 Kelvin, but the pressure has another unit called 1 bar pressure. Bar is a unit of measurement of pressure. Pressure को आप different unit में measure कर सकते हो. Atmospheric pressure, bar pressure, Pascal, torr, etc. जिसको हम डिटेल में बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. लेकिन अगर आप 1 bar pressure ले रहे हो instead of atmospheric pressure, in a calculation you have to use 22.7 liter. That means 1 mole can occupy 22.7 liter volume when the pressure is 1 bar. But if in question the pressure is given in atmospheric unit, 22.4 liter should be utilized or used as a volume occupied by 1 mole of a substance. It's only for information. In our syllabus, most of the time we'll use 22.4 liter because the pressure is given in an atmospheric unit. So it's a quadrilateral rule for a mole concept. Volume of a gas at STP. Here N into 22.4 liter volume is only for a gaseous substance. It is not applied to solid or a liquid substance. For a solid or a liquid substance, for solid or liquid, its volume V is equal to N into M divided by D. Here N is called number of moles, M is called molar mass, and D is called density. Density plays important role when a volume for solid and liquid is measured. So another formula to calculate the volume for a solid and liquid. Here the volume is for gaseous state or gaseous state of a substance at STP only, N into 22.4 liter. But for solid and liquid, the formula has been changed. Volume V is equal to N into M, where N is number of moles, M is called molar mass, and D is known as density. Copy the formula, and then we'll discuss some examples in which we'll use this relation of a mole concept. Question 1. Find following for 84 gram of N2 gas. 84 gram of N2 gas. 84 gram of N2 gas. Find 84 gram of N2 gas. Find the following for 84 gram of N2 gas. Margin okay है? Margin ठीक है. Number 1. Find number of moles, number of molecules, number of nitrogen atoms, volume occupied by nitrogen at STB. So we have 4 questions to answer. Find the number of moles for a nitrogen gas present in 84 gram of nitrogen gas. We also have to calculate number of molecules, number of nitrogen atoms present in it, and the volume occupied at STB. The first question is the number of moles. You know that the formula to calculate the number of moles, N is equal to weight of a substance in gram divided by molar mass. But before calculating the number of moles, we need molar mass, because weight of a substance in gram has been given. Molar mass of nitrogen first, M mass of nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas is in the form of N2. Keep in your mind, nitrogen is not N, it is N2. Similarly, hydrogen gas, it is not H, it is H2. Chlorine gas, it is not H, it is Cl2 in a molecular form, molecule. So nitrogen in a molecular form is N2. So that's why it is 2 nitrogens. The atomic mass of nitrogen is 14, and 14 to the 28 gram per mole is a molecular mass of nitrogen, and 28. Now to calculate the number of moles, we'll put a formula. Number of moles, N is equal to W by M. N is equal to W by M. W given, weight of a substance in gram given 84, divided by 28. 28, 84, it's 3 moles of a nitrogen gas that we are having in 84 gram of N2 gas. The next question is calculation of number of molecules. Number of molecules. We have a formula to calculate number of molecules. Number of molecules is equal to N into Na. You all know that. N, 3 moles, and Na means Avogadro's number. It is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. The next is number of nitrogen atoms. To calculate the number of nitrogen atoms, and atoms, we have to multiply the number of molecules, which is 3 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23, with a number of atoms present in one molecule. Nitrogen's one molecule possesses how many nitrogen atoms? 2. So it should be multiplied by 2 to get the number of nitrogen atoms. We have already completed or studied this relation in the last lecture. The fourth question is related to the today's topic called volume occupancy by nitrogen at STP. Now nitrogen N2 occupies volume at STP. What amount of volume occupied by 84 gram of nitrogen? So volume occupied by gas at STP is N into 22.4 liter. Volume of N2 gas, which is N into 22.4 liter. Number of moles. How many number of moles we are having? 3 moles, and 3 into 22.4. It is 67.2 liter volume occupied by nitrogen gas at STP when 84 gram of nitrogen given. शायद आप ठीक से इसको समझ गए होंगे. आज चौथा कॉन्सेप्ट हमने ऐड किया है, वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपेंसी कॉन्सेप्ट. ध्यान से ये क्वेश्चन को कॉपी करें और कुछ और क्वेश्चंस के लिए रेडी हो जाए जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे. कॉपी करो जल्दी से, फास्ट. मेरे ख्याल से आपने इसको कॉपी कर लिया है. विल मूव फर्दर विद द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. He is here to help us. She'll read the question for us. He'll start the first question.
Number 1. Calculate the number of moles.
Calculate
the
number of moles
in each of the following.
In each of following.
Number 1.
Number 1.
11 grams of
11 grams of
CO2 gas.
CO2 gas. Okay.
Number 2.
Number 2.
3.01
3.01
into 10 raised to 22
into 10 raised to 22
molecules of CO2.
CO2.
Number 3.
Number 3 is
1.12 liter
1.12 liter
of CO2
at STP. STP is called standard temperature and pressure. So we have 3 sub questions for the calculation of number of moles. Here we'll discuss all the 3 relations related to the number of moles. The first question is 11 gram of CO2 gas. ग्राम, इसमें से कौन सी क्वांटिटी जो है वो ग्राम में है? यहाँ मॉलिक्यूल्स है, यहाँ वॉल्यूम है. हाँ, मोलर मास इज गिवन इन ग्राम. सो आप मोलर मास को मोल्स के फॉर्म में कैसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो? हम जानते हैं कि कोई भी सब्सटेंस का मोलर मास 1 मोल जितना होता है. 1 मोल इज इक्वल टू मोलर मास ऑफ अ सब्सटेंस. नाउ फॉर CO2, आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. CO2. First of all, I find molar mass for CO2. Molar mass of CO2 is 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. Carbon's atomic mass is 12, that of oxygen is 16. So 12 ones are 12 plus 16 is 32, total 44 gram per mole. Now we have to calculate number of moles. Number of moles का formula क्या है? Number of moles N is equal to weight in gram divided by molar mass. weight of a substance in gram has been given 11 gram of CO2 and then divided by 44. So 1 by 4 called 0.25 moles of CO2 present in 11 gram of CO2. It's a conversion of a weight to the number of moles. Question number 2, its answer is answer number 2. 3.01 into 10 raised to 22 molecules of CO2. Now in the list molecules here, molecules, number of molecules is equal to n into Na. We want to find n. N means number of moles. जो Na यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लीकेशन में है, इक्वल टू वो साइड जाएगा, कहां जाएगा? डिवीजन में. So that means the number of molecules should be divided by Na. Na means Avogadro number. Number of molecules is equal to n into Na. It implies that n means number of moles is equal to number of molecules. जब Na को equal to के वो साइड लाओ जाएगी तो multiplication will change to division. So number of molecules should be divided by n. How many number of molecules given? 3.01 10 raised to 22 divided by Na. We know that Na is Avogadro number. It's 6.02 10 raised to 22. Actually 10 raised to 23 we are having. Then 2's are, so that means it is 1 by 2 into 10 raised to 22 and here we have 10 raised to 23. 22 goes to up. 10 raised to 2
minus 1.
10 raised to minus 1. So that means it is 1 by 2 is 0.5 into 1 by 10 again. So that means it is 0.05 moles that we are having. I think margin से बाहर चले गए हैं calculation में. I'll rub and again 1 by 2 is 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 1. That means it is 1 by 10. Again 1 by 10. एक और decimal हम shift करेंगे 0.05 moles that we are having. This is your answer to the second question. How many number of moles of CO2 present in 3.012 or say 3.01 into 10 raised to 22 molecules of CO2. The next one is conversion of a liter to number of moles. Liter to number of moles at STP. We already have a relation. Volume in liter should be divided by 22.4 to get a number of moles. Similarly, जैसे हमने Na को equal to वो साइड लिया, वैसे ही यहाँ पर हम नंबर ऑफ मोल्स फाइंड करने के लिए 22.4 को इक्वल टू वो साइड लेंगे. हमको वॉल्यूम एट एसटीपी दिया गया है. वॉल्यूम एट एसटीपी इज 1.12 लीटर. हम 1.12 को 22.4 से डिवाइड करेंगे. You'll get the answer of number of moles of CO2 at 1.12 liter of CO2 at STP. Let's see. Answer 3. वॉल्यूम मार्जिन में है? नहीं. ओके. सो एक काम करें, एक बार इसको कॉपी करें और हम बाद में थर्ड क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन ले लें. आई थिंक आपने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट कर लिया है. सेकेंड भी हो गया होगा और अब शायद आप इसका सॉल्यूशन कर सकते हैं अपने आप भी. आंसर टू द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. 1.2 liter of CO2 at STP should be converted into the number of moles. So volume at STP is equal to n into 22.4 liter. So to calculate n, which implies that n is equal to volume at STP divided by 22.4 liter. So now volume at STP given, it is 1.12 and then it is divided by 22.4. Calculation 112 divided by 22.4 into 10. ऊपर 10 नीचे 100 दो डेसिमल के लिए एक एक जीरो हम कट करेंगे 112 2 जा so basically it's 1/2 1/2 is 0.5 again divided by 10 so it is 0.05 moles again the answer. So here we conclude our first part of a lecture 2 called lockdown lecture 2 due to the limitations of recording of video. We'll discuss some more examples in our part 2 LDL part 2. Thank you.